video. So basically, this Nickelodeon slime, very, very cheesecake, gooey, super fun. Let's do this. So the slime is like really, well, that's what it looks like. The slime is like really, well, let's just test it out. So we took it out, right? We took some of the slime out. And look at that crunch. Taking off my nails, sorry guys. They're gonna get gooey, that's all. They already got gooey because of you guys. Jokes, because of me. I was the one who let myself leave them on. You see, the slime's super fun. Have a fun time rocking, sitting, baby job. And, well, you guys want to see the action, don't you? So I best tilt to you. And in 3, 2, 1, it's going to end. So, see, there's the action. See, look at